Are you a beginner in baking and planning to do a beautiful cake for the Valentine's Day? Then this is the right video for you. Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to do a simple Valentine's Day cool cake without oven and without cream. Let us begin this with a basic sponge cake. For the sponge cake you need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. To this add a teaspoon of baking powder and quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Give this a nice mix. This is going to be our dry ingredients. This is ready. Take a mixie jar, add half cup of sugar. We are going to powder this. Powdered sugar is ready. Set this aside. Now take a bowl, crack open 3 eggs. Now let us add the prepared powdered sugar. You have to give a very nice beat. Beating this is very important for the sponginess of the cake. I'm going to use an electric beater for this, and if you don't have, you can very well use your hand beater. Your egg and sugar mixture has to be fluffy like this. To this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Next, let us add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. You have to add it little by little. You can cut and fold and mix this. You should not beat this. If you beat it, your cake won't be that much spongy. To this, let us add a quarter cup of refined oil or melted butter. At last, the batter has to be like this. We are not going to use an oven, so you can very well use a silver bowl for baking. For the heart shape, I am using this cake tin, otherwise silver bowl itself is fine. Whatever pan you are using, just grease it with oil and pour the batter. If you want to line the baking pan, you can go for parchment paper or butter paper. Tap gently to make the batter even. For the baking purpose, I am going to heat an iron tawa for 5 minutes. Once it is hot enough, lower the flame and place the tin on it. You have to bake this for around 45 to 50 minutes in low flame. This is after 20 minutes. You can see that the batter has raised, but it is not cooked fully. Now it is nearly 50 minutes. I am going to check whether the cake has fully cooked. You can see that the cake is done. Once it cools down, you can take it out of the tin. Next is a whipped cream. I am going to use whipping cream powder for making this. So now take a bowl, add some ice cubes. And whatever you are going to use, you have to keep it in the freezer for at least 10 minutes, and when required, you can take it out. I am placing another bowl on the ice cube and I am adding 1 1/4 cup of whipping cream powder. Next, let us start adding the milk little by little. The milk is already boiled and chilled. Give a nice beat in second speed. Here I have taken 1 cup of chilled milk, but you have to adjust the milk according to the need. You have to give this a nice beat until stiff peaks are formed. You can see the stiff peaks, and the cream also has turned very smooth. You can stop adding the milk, and out of 1 cup, this is extra for me. Even if you turn the bowl upside down, the cream should not come out, so this is the right consistency. Moving on to the cake, we have to divide it into 2 halves. Let us apply the cream on 1 half. Close this with the other half. Now let us apply the cream evenly on the top and the sides. So here we have shaped the cake. After this, the decoration is up to you. You can use your imagination to decorate the cake. I'm here piping some simple flowers. And I'm going to use some rainbow sparkles. Let me spread some chocolate sprinkles too. So here is our cake. This is beginner friendly and anyone can do it. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.